I'm about to make a lot of people mad. I'm taking my brand new Model 3 through its first ever automatic touch car wash. So basically the premise is simple. My car's dirty, it just rained, we got a dust storm and all that good stuff. So obviously I want to get it sparkly clean, but I don't have the time to wash it by hand. I mean, who does these days? So obviously the best idea is to take it to a touch car wash and go through in about 3 minutes or less. Get the job done and be on with my day. Remember, this is the first time I'm taking a Tesla through an automatic car wash, so there's a couple things I gotta keep in mind. Apparently you have to turn the wipers off of auto and just turn them straight to off, otherwise they'll turn on. But somebody did say they didn't turn on when they went through a car wash, so maybe they fixed that and it just knows you're in a car wash. I guess we'll find out. And I guess the only other thing is to put it in neutral, which is easy enough. Oh, but one more thing. Make sure you have a nice soft microfiber rag, because when you're drying this thing, you don't want to put a bunch of micro scratches in the paint, because this is a brand new car. We don't want to ruin the paint. It's so soft. Let's go. All right, so let's check out the before. We got about 1,200 miles, 2 small road trips, some bird crap, a bunch of dust, some water stains. Let's see, what else we got? It's just a pretty big mess. As you can see, we got that black paint. Oh, it's on the back too. Oh, so after we go through this car wash, it should be sparkly clean, sparkly shiny, just like the day we got it. I completely forgot that everybody comes to the car wash on Sunday, so, guess we'll see how this goes. I mean, it's only $3, so guess we'll see. All right, I paid with my Apple Card, without Apple Pay, because the Apple Pay doesn't work still. And first time I tried was when they first opened months ago. I thought they would have had it fixed by now. What's going on? Oh well, guess I don't get my 2% cash back after all. That's like, what, 6 cents or something? Instead I got stuck with 3. All right, so I'm ready. All right, so let me get around this turn first. Make sure the windows are rolled up. That's right there an issue. Can't solve that with technology. I guess you could. Usually they have a mirror up there. I guess this one doesn't. Alright, so we'll fold in the mirrors now. Ooh, nice. They folded right on in. But now the wipers. Oh, you can always fold mirrors at this location. I guess I'll turn that on. That'll be cool. Yikes. You guys telling me to go straight while I'm going onto the... God, I'm just grinding. I think I just grind the rim. You guys told me to go straight. You should have corrected me. Now we're in neutral. What's all that grinding? You guys hear that? This might have been a bad idea. Yo, I swear, if my rims are getting grinded this whole trip through here, I'm gonna be so pissed off. Okay, so the wipers haven't activated. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. That looks awesome, right? You know, obviously I have to snap this. Let's go to Snapchat. Oh no, they turned on. Let me turn them off. There we go. Oh no, they turned on. Let me turn them off. Oh! Whoa! Oh! This way we can see how it never gets the back clean, because I guess it doesn't do anything to the back. It's actually hitting the camera, so maybe you should get it clean. But yeah, we saw the wipers did turn on, so make sure you turn the wipers off when you come through here. Although I guess it doesn't really matter, but you might break the wipers or something. Oh yeah, this is my favorite part. I wish I had one of these at home. I would love to have a big air dryer to dry my car off. Alright, so to get back into drive, I put your foot on the brake. the brake and shift down, and you're good to go. Now let's see if we can find somewhere to park to dry this thing off and see if my rim just got destroyed. Probably both of them on the driver's side. Oh my God, for $3 did I really destroy my rims? There's no shady spots, or is there one up here? It looks like it might be a little shady. Oh, everyone's here today. Oh, it's true about Teslas. People can't hear them coming. I just don't stand where I was about to park. Oh yeah, we got one of the shadier spaces. Nice, guys. All right, looks like we're good to go. Time to check out the damages. All right, now time for the aftermath. I have to say, I don't remember $3 car washes being, being that bad. I don't know what was going on, but I dried the car like 4 times and it keeps re-drying with soap marks everywhere. So I don't know what's going on, but no scratches. And the rims are actually okay. So I guess their machine was just making all this sound because everything looks fine over here, which is great. I don't see any problems and everything's good. Although it didn't really do the best job cleaning it whatsoever. Look at that, still got all that soap around there. That's what I'm talking about. It keeps re-drying on there. And all in all, I guess it's better than nothing, but maybe pay a little bit more than $3 to get the better one, and hopefully it's actually better.